The first draft of the presentation is almost ready. It is of the utmost importance that you follow the ethical guidelines carefully. The author expressed an idea that modern readers invariably cannot accept. Every year, students pass the biology course easily. All old university buildings are still in use. Many undergraduate students go back home and stay with their parents after graduation.
Make sure the financial director knows the full details of the pay agreement. The country's economy is primarily based on tourism. Expertise in particular areas distinguishes you from other graduates. All the assignments should be submitted by the end of this week. Unfortunately, the two most interesting economic electives clash on my timetable. The new hypothesis needs to be tested with a new controlled experiment. We didn't mean to ask him to do it because he cannot manage it. Even with the permit, finding a parking spot on campus is still impossible. She has been in the library for a long time. The original Olympic Games were celebrated as religious festivals. The real reason for global hunger is not the lack of food, but poverty. You can drop or add your courses online during the registration week. Numerous courses devoted to life sciences are listed in the prospectus. .5% California residents don't speak English at home. Remember to sign the attendance register before leaving the lecture hall. It's obviously vital that companies should fully understand their customers. I took everything to the copy center this morning before class. The results of the study challenge previously held assumptions. The campus is located in a bustling urban area. The university's football team has won several national championships. The campus bookstore sells textbooks and school supplies to students. The university's research facilities are among the best in the country. Income inequality is a major challenge facing many societies today. Small businesses play an important role in local communities. The university's MBA program is ranked among the top in the world. The university's online courses provide flexible learning options for students. The history of our society is complex and fascinating. The university has a diverse student body from around the world. The business school offers internships and networking opportunities. The students are supposed to assemble in the seminar hall before the announcement. We are considering all candidates' backgrounds and identities. The English expression is just a way of saying that age is not important. Numerous courses devoted to life sciences are listed in the prospectus. Marks will be awarded for a bibliography in the correct format. The trial experiment is to increase the interests of the issue in the jurisdiction clause. There are a range of housing options near university students. The result of the study will be published next month. I think of those leaders who inspire us to go beyond the call of duty. Please make an appointment before attending the next meeting. Please make sure you have filled in all your details before submitting. The gap between the rich and the poor was not decreased rapidly as expected. Most of the lectures begin promptly, so do not be late. Please note, the proposal submission deadline has been extended. We've been doing research in that area for probably 25 years.